Alright, so we are starting grade 2 CA1 question paper of 2018. This is term 1 topical review 1. So this is for 30 marks paper for 40 minutes. Primary 2 you can see here. So we are starting now, and what we are going to assess, it's written in the question paper that we are going to assess the numbers to 1000. So able to recognize, read, write numbers from 100 to 1000 and their corresponding number words. Then able to interpret a 3-digit number in terms of hundreds, tens and ones. Able to compare and order within 1000. Able to recognize number patterns and able to recognize even and odd numbers. Then you have addition and subtraction within 1000, that also 2 digits, 3 digit and all. And then you have some word problems. Okay, so this was the front page of the paper. Now we are starting the main paper, that is here. So you see section A is for 5 marks, 1 mark each. So now you can see the question. I'll keep myself shut and you just see. So this is section B, that is for 15 marks. Section 6, question 6 to 8 carry 1 mark each, and 9 to 14 is for 2 marks each. So write the following in numerals. So you have to write, and then arrange the following numbers in order. Begin with the greatest. So you have to see that which one is the greatest one, and you will write here. Okay. So next question is match the following. So 500 2 tens, then 510 plus 2, then 60 tens and 12 ones. Okay, so that you have to do. So be careful with this question. Further says, next question says this, cross out the even numbers. So you have to figure out which one is even number, the two numbers. So you can have to cross out whatever the numbers are the even numbers. You have to mark. Look at the numbers below carefully. Use one of the numbers to answer the question below. So these are the 4 numbers given, and the question says what number is greater than 157 but smaller than 165. So out of these 4 numbers you have to find out which one is greater than 157 and smaller than 165. It's easy question, just for your understanding. Next is 15 less than 785 is how much? Next again is use the numbers in the box to form a subtraction equation. So you can see 3 numbers are given, and those 3 numbers you have to fill in these boxes. So here you are going to write one number. Here, since it is a subtraction equation, so you will write here minus. Then you are going to write another number equals to another number. So this is how you have to see that what to do. Okay. So again, same last time question. Find the missing digit. So you have one blank here. So I told you that if you add this number with this number, right, you will get this number. All right, so this is how you can do it, and that will give you the final answer. Look at the model below. Find the value of A. So the total box, you can see the box number this, and box number this one is 350. Look at the figure. Learn how to read the figure. 350. This box, the bigger box, is 180, right? Okay, so how much is this? A. So you have to find out. How will you do that? You have to think. Okay, whether addition or subtraction, up to you. Alright, next, going to the next question. Now Kelly bought 30 red beads, 90 pink beads and 70 orange beads. How many beads did Kelly buy altogether? I don't know what to do, subtraction or addition. Please go ahead. Next question is about section C. Okay, section C starts, that has 15 and 16 3 marks, and 17 4 marks, 4 marks. Okay, so there are 3 questions in section C. So this is a bigger one, a difficult one, so be careful with this. Mr. Young baked some cookies to sell. After selling this many cookies, 173 cookies were left. How many cookies did he have? So now you have to understand that you will have the bigger number or a smaller number. First of all, you have to decide that a big number will come or a small number come. If big number comes, then add it. If a small number has to come, then you have to subtract. So first of all, you visualize that he had cookies in the beginning, a bigger number or a smaller number, right? Okay, and then you can do it. Check the next question. That was for 3 marks. Next question says Mrs. Stowe ordered 155 apples for a party. She ordered 78 more apples than oranges. So how many oranges did Mr. Stowe order for the party? So what does it say? Look at the second line. This is the key word or key sentence here. She ordered 78 more apples than oranges. So first of all, you figure out that oranges were less or the apples were less. Okay, right? So 155 apples for already, and then the second question said that she ordered 78 more apples than oranges. That means oranges were less, right? So how to get the less oranges, right? So that you have to find out. Okay, very good question. Now I'm going to the last question, that is question number 17. So check what it says. Question number, there are 159 girls and 217 boys. How many children are there altogether? Think what to do. Okay, that is part A. Now let's go to the part B. How many more boys than girls are here? So look at this. How many more boys? So how many boys are there? 217 boys. How many girls are there? 159 girls. Okay, so in that case, how many more boys than girls? Boys than girls. Okay, more boys than girls. So what to do? Subtract or addition? You do it. Okay, so that was the end of this paper. Thank you very much. Enjoy.